Sprint planning is an event in Agile project management where the team defines the work for the upcoming sprint. It helps set a clear goal and outlines how the team will deliver value during the sprint. This video will explain what sprint planning is, why it matters, and how you can execute it effectively. What is sprint planning? Sprint planning initiates the sprint by laying out what can be done and how it will be done. The team collaborates to select backlog items, define the sprint goal, and create a sprint backlog. Estimates and capacity are considered so the team commits to what is feasible. Why sprint planning matters? It ensures everyone is aligned on what will be achieved in the sprint and how. It improves clarity, reduces misunderstandings, and boosts productivity. By planning properly, teams avoid overcommitment and maintain focus on value delivery. How to prepare for sprint planning. Start with a refined product backlog so items are ready for selection. Review past sprint outcomes and learnings to inform the next sprint's planning. Involve the product owner, scrum master, and development team in the planning session. Best practices. Timebox the meeting. Short sprints need shorter planning sessions. Define a clear and measurable sprint goal that guides the team. Ensure the sprint backlog is realistic and aligned with team capacity. Conclusion. Sprint planning is a foundational activity in Agile project management. By executing it well, teams can ensure alignment, set realistic expectations, and deliver value consistently. Master sprint planning, and you'll set your project up for the best chance of success.